Good evening and welcome back to another Down and Dirty How-To with Bugs. Tonight I'm going to give you guys a quick look at the cold start on the the P-51 or the TF-51. It's going to apply to either our aircraft, either the paid module or the one that comes free with DCS when you download it. We're just going to go over a quick how to cold start it really quick. Nothing crazy. Just enough to get you guys going and get the engine turned over. I'll get a little bit more in depth with it in the future, but for now, let's just focus on that. So here we are. We're in a nice cold dark P-51 or TF-51, whichever you guys have. So what we're going to want to do is let's set our parking brake, because we're going to have to introduce throttle when we get the engine turned over, or to get the engine turned over, so we don't want it to lurch forward on us or nose over, because it can do that. If you're not careful and you see it moving forward, you slam on the brakes, it will tip forward, the tail will come off the ground, so be mindful of that. So let's make sure our throttle's moving, our RPM is moving. Okay. Battery on. Generator on. Fuel shut off to the on position. Fuel selector, left main tank. Magnetos both. Open the throttle about an inch or so. Nothing more than that. Fuel booster pumps on. And let's hold the primer for about 10 seconds, so count 10 potato in your head, and then you should be good to go. Okay, starter cover off. Now we're going to turn her over until it catches, and we're going to hit the mixture into the run position. There she is, run. Come on, baby. There she goes. Alright. And there she is. Bring your prop RPM up. And let's open our coolant door so we don't overheat on the ground. Let's get our flaps up, and we'll get them set as needed for takeoff. And from here, let's cage our starter. Let's go to our pitch adjustment on our SAI and bring that up to match the pitch of the nose of the airplane on the ground, just a little above that horizon line. Get your radios turned on. Set your lighting as needed. You can set your other various gizmos here, IFF, your tail radar warning, get that turned on. Let's uncage. Let everything come up to temperature, and you guys are ready to go. You set your flaps as needed for your loadout if you're a clean airplane, or if you have stores on board, set it as needed, and your taxi and takeoff would be as normal. I really hope you guys found that helpful. Much more to come with the P-51 soon, but until then, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. please like, comment, subscribe for more, and until the next sortie, strap in, arm up the seat, and keep flying.